Hi, this is Shi from Building Point Scandinavia. Are you using Trimble Connect for your project and wonder how to do the quality check of the model object information? Do you want to check which model object is missing a certain type of information? Trimble Connect rule-based organizer can help you with that. I'm gonna show you a quick example. In this project, every object should have the MMI status code in the object's attributes. If I work as a BIM coordinator, I may want to do a quick quality check of the model information. Or, if I was a project manager, I want to see what the status of the whole project is. Trimble Connect rule-based organizer can help you. Let me show you how. Load the model in Trimble Connect for Browser's 3D viewer. Open the organizer panel. Clicking Add New Group. A drop-down will appear. Click New Rule-based Group. The Rules panel will open. Select the desired models you want to use for your group. Create your rule definition by adding properties you want to group by. Here is MMI status. You can choose to colorize the grouping by clicking the append bucket. You can adjust the color here. For example, I want to adjust the color so they match with the color code in MMI user guide. Click Save. Open the group. As we can see here, we get direct visualization of what project progress is. And we can immediately see there are two objects which don't have MMI code. Since rule-based group is dynamic, we can update the group to get the up-to-date result. For example, I have updated the model objects which are missing information. Click Update the group. We can see the group is updated with the latest modification. Thank you for watching. Hope you find it useful.